Alright, welcome back. Some of our pages. So I can show you how to create your page. So what you do now, let's go back to our dashboard. So first of all, this is your dashboard. So you come to page, come to add new. Or let's go back to, these are all the pages that we have currently. Let me show you what we have. We have home page and privacy policy. So you are going to add track. So you add page, add new. This is our track page. So we add another one. You can see the URL here. These are about us. These are about us page. These are contact us page. So you can see our page builder here. If you want to build on this page, you simply just click on your page builder. These are site origin page builder. That's when we're using create this front end and everything we have here. So now we have created all the pages. Let's check the pages that we have now. Normally we're having just these two of them. So we added about us, contact us, and this track page. So come to appearance, menus. Okay, we have our home, so we added our track, about us and contact us, import to menu. Okay, let's check out something. You can see that what we have here is we have home, track, contact us, about us. But here you can see that it's coming from your right to left. The home is supposed to be here first. So the theme we are using does not allow you to use your home as the first. As you can see here, we have already arranged everything. The home came first, the track code, the tracking page, contact us page, and about us page. But here we have an about us page. Okay, contact us page, then the home instead of the track before the track page. So the reason why it's organized like this is because of the theme. That is why even though you rearrange it from here, normally it's supposed to be like this. The home is supposed to come first before the track. The home is supposed to be here and your track page is supposed to be here. But because of the theme, except we changed the theme we are using to another theme, it doesn't presuppose you to make your home the first page you have here. So I believe we can manage. I think there's no need for us to change the theme. There are other premium themes that you can also buy that will give you what you need. They are better than this. I say this is just a tutorial. Are better than this. So you can use a better theme. Most of them are not that expensive, like $20 can get you a theme. $30 can also get you a theme, a nice theme, but this is a free theme. That's why we don't have control over most of the things that we have here. Yeah, but as you can see, the pages are working. About us, so have nothing here, just created it. So in my next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your contact us form. We need a form here, so we'll create a contact us form here, and after that we go over to also about us, also work on this page. Then our tracking page should be the last. So you can see the page are empty because I just created it. So go back to our home. Alright, so I think let me just go straight to the about us page. Yeah, the about us page. Let's create this one. Go straight to pages, all pages. About us. As you can see, the page is empty. We have nothing here, so we go straight to page builder. Click on it. So what you do now, you add your row. This is the first thing you need to do first. You add your row. If you are having three layer here, it means that you are going to, if you are putting any write-up or image or videos, it's going to be three different files you are adding. So if you are using just one, it means that it is stretch that particular one across, which is 100%. So we add that one here. This is where you add any of the file you want to add, if it is image or anything. So we come to widget. Once you have already add your row, everything must fall within this row. So you add your widget. What I'm going to add now is we are going to add an image. So we choose our media. As you can see, we have I don't want to use any of this image. Let me just upload another one. Okay, let's make use of this one. Make use of this. Let me see this one. So click on set media. These are the settings. If you have any text you want to add to it, you can add the text, your destination link. If you want to, these are your pages. If you want the image to be clickable, so once you click the image, you will take it to any of this page. So that is that. We don't need to add any link. We are not adding any link here. So we close that. I want the image to be full width. So that's why I take this one. You can just navigate and choose whatever you like. Image alignment default. I want to be at the center. Title alignment, I'm not adding any title. So done with that. So if I update, you will see changes on the site. All these are the code is automatically runs for you. You don't have to code by yourself. The site origin will help you to do that. So now let's go to battles. And see the image we have here. Now we need to include some write-up here. Since it's all about we're going to include some write-up here. So now we'll come back to we'll come back to widget, go to test, see our test here. So